In today's market, tenants are looking for work environments that are more comfortable and productive than ever before. Building owners look to engineers to provide these environments using sound, cost-effective solutions. Typical offices consist of a variety of areas or control zones that have different thermal characteristics. In some climates and seasons, perimeter zones may require heating, while interior spaces always require cooling. Within these zones, load patterns will shift as lights are turned on or off, and as people enter or leave. Here, we are seeing the thermal properties of the zones being affected by these various conditions. One HVAC system that can provide better comfort than a simple constant volume system and is more cost-effective up front than a VAV system for smaller applications is a VVT system. VVT, or variable volume, variable temperature, is an all-air system that can be used to deliver comfort to multiple zones using a single constant volume air source, typically a rooftop unit. While the air source provides a constant volume of air, the airflow to the zones is varied using zone dampers. A unique characteristic of VVT is that it looks at all of the zones together and uses an intelligent demand strategy to determine if the central unit should operate in cooling or heating mode. As required by the zones, the system switches back and forth between modes to satisfy all demands. In individual zones, the damper positions are determined by the condition of the zone relative to the set point and the system's supply air temperature. In this example, the air source is in cooling mode, but the zone requires heating. The individual zone sensor communicates the zone temperature to the VVT zone controller, which reacts by closing down the damper to reduce the airflow to the zone. In a VVT system, because the air source is providing a constant volume of air and each of the zones are acting independently to supply more or less air according to the demands of the zone, a bypass damper is used to regulate the air pressure in the ductwork. The bypass enables constant airflow through the air source, while zones receive variable airflow. There are also many other integrated features of the Carrier VVT system, such as zone-level reheat and CO2-based demand-controlled ventilation. For more detailed information on VVT systems or other systems available from Carrier Corporation, browse through the System Explorer or contact a Carrier representative.